Did you know there's a gemstone that was literally born in the stars? Long before it was in your jewelry box, moissanite was found in the heart of a meteorite crater. Talk about a cosmic origin story. It's actually rarer than diamonds in nature, yet it sparkles even brighter. But how do we get this space diamond into our rings today? Let's look at the incredible science of how moissanite is made. Every moissanite stone starts with two simple elements, silicon and carbon. Back in 1893, a French chemist named Henri Moissan, yep, that's where the name comes from, discovered these crystals in a meteor crater. In nature, these bond to form silicon carbide, but finding jewelry quality pieces on Earth is, well, it's nearly impossible. To create it today, scientists use a process called thermal decomposition. They place high-purity silicon and carbon into a high-temperature furnace, reaching a staggering 2,730 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than the melting point of most metals. Now, here's where it gets really fun. Have you noticed how moissanite has that rainbow glow? That's because it actually outsparkles a diamond. It has a higher refractive index, meaning it scatters light into these gorgeous, fiery flashes. It's like wearing a tiny disco ball on your finger. And don't let the lab-grown part fool you. This stone is tough. On the Mohs scale of hardness, it hits a 9.25. That's second only to a diamond, making it practically scratch-proof for everyday life. So, how do they grow this perfection? They use a method called chemical vapor deposition, or CVD. Imagine silicon and carbon molecules being drifted onto a plate layer by layer inside a high-tech vacuum. Over several weeks, they bond together to form a solid, stunning crystal. Because this all happens in a controlled lab, these stones are 100% conflict-free, eco-friendly, and way more ethical than traditional mining. You get all the cosmic beauty without the earthly cost. Once that rough crystal is grown, the real magic begins. Now, remember that 9.25 hardness we talked about? Well, it's so tough that only a diamond is strong enough to cut it. Master gem cutters use precision, diamond-tipped machines to hand facet the stone. They're not just cutting, they're engineering the light. They shape every angle to maximize its fire. You know, those incredible rainbow flashes that give moissanite its world-famous sparkle? From a star-born discovery to a lab-grown masterpiece, it's a journey that's truly out of this world. From a star-born mineral to a lab-perfected masterpiece, which do you prefer, the classic diamond or the brilliant moissanite? Let me know in the comments.